My name is Dr. Shaista Khalid. I am a physiotherapist and I've been in the health and fitness industry for the past 4.5 years. If I tell you that 52% of women in Pakistan are suffering from hormonal imbalance, and it's a surprising fact, of course. And if somebody with a hormonal imbalance who is more prone to diabetes, who is more prone to infertility, and even a lot of hormone driven cancers, goes to a gynecologist or endocrinologist, the first thing they tell them, like the doctor tells you, that you need to shed weight. My mom was a long-term PCOS sufferer, because of which she got diagnosed with bullous pemphigoid, a very rare autoimmune disorder only there in 6 lakh people worldwide. So we started working on Fit Her in 2022. Fit Her got launched in December 2022. In last 12 months, Fit Her has generated a revenue of around 75 lakhs. In last 3 months we did around 20 lakhs. Last month was around 8 lakhs. That is solely through B2C users. We have Pakistanis, we have Indian users, and we have expats Indian and Pakistani from Saudi, UAE, Oman and Kuwait. Fit Her app got launched in around 4 months back. It got launched in 2024, but we had to bring it down, and then we got it up again because of some technical issues. Our entire team is like founding team is basically we are 2 people, me and my co-founder, who is a software engineer, also my husband Hanan Iqbal, and our entire team, which is currently around 15 people. 14 are women, and there is one male guy who is also a techie, who handles the other like the tech part, the AI integrations and stuff. So Fit Her is basically a digital app that offers live workout sessions, customized diet plans, gynecological consultancies, psychological consultancies, risk assessment tests, followed by we are currently working on building an AI wellness bot that could track your mood, your health, your hydration and different elements, which would also help in personalization of your wellness journey with us. So basically this particular grant, more than the money, the main thing that we are really looking forward is the network that we could get through Standard Chartered. Basically hamari like current the entire user base is B2C, and we have a few partnerships like Telenor Pakistan, for which we are integrating for B2B2C, and Zindagi are in progress, that are expected to execute around September. But the other segment that we are looking forward to, B2B corporate wellness programs, the Standard Charter, specifically the network, is going to be really helpful over it. And as for the grant part, we need it for scaling because our platform is new. We want to invest on digital strategies, building our B2B corporate wellness team. We need to hire more people, more resources to cater, and along with other things. Thank you.